clicking on this video is a great choice because today I will be showing you a new method where we can earn hundreds of dollars in just a few minutes. We're not gonna make 50 cents or just $1, but we're gonna make hundreds of them. We're also not gonna be talking about a method which is time consuming. If you do this method correctly, then you can even earn up to $1,000. That's right, this method can change your life. What's also so great about this is that this is 100% free and this is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can do this. And you don't even need to spend a dime on this. And if you're worried about skills and experience, you don't have to think about that because this is beginner friendly. And if you've been watching my videos for quite a while now, then you already know the drill. But if you're new to this channel, then I have to tell you that I recommend you guys to stick with me until the end and not skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on important details. Because if you do, and if you go directly to the websites, you might end up not earning money at all. And we don't want that. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Make Money, where I teach you guys the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Today I will be showing you 3 different platforms in order to make money online. So this is the first platform or the first website. Buy Instagram followers and grow your account fast. Tired of spending loads of time trying to grow your Instagram? Buy Instagram followers safely and securely through this website. As it obviously states here, this website will help you get followers fast. But you don't need to worry because you won't be the one who's going to buy those followers. I told you this method is 100% free. But before we proceed to the next part of this video, you have to know everything first about this website. If you scroll down here below, you can see that this has been partnered with a lot of big companies like Forbes, Social Media Explorer, New York Post, BuzzFeed, Product Hunt, and Online Geniuses. Here's what you need to know. Get more followers. They help you get more Instagram followers fast and securely. Buy 100 followers or whatever you prefer. No passwords ever. This website won't ever ask for your password. As soon as you decide to buy some Instagram followers, they'll only ask for your username. Fast. Like instantly fast. Their delivery times are pretty speedy, with an average delivery time of 3 minutes. In most cases, they deliver pretty much instantly. And this website has the best service. They've got a 4.7 over 5-star satisfaction rating and have been around since early 2015. They offer round-the-clock support for any followers that you buy. What's also great about this website is that they are cheap. You can get more followers for less than a cup of coffee. Yep, it's that cheap. Now, buying Instagram followers can be cheap if you want it to be. This website offers you some of the best prices in the market, where you can finally grow your Instagram affordably. You can actually start growing your Instagram from as little as $9. That's less than your favorite coffee. This website claims that they are the best site to buy Instagram followers. Now, of course, this is not the only website that sells followers or which will help you grow your Instagram account. But this website has been in the market since early 2015. That means a lot of people trust this website. And this website is over at upleap.com. Again, that's upleap.com. Now, if you come over here at pricing, you can see that they are really cheap. You can get 100 followers with just $9. You can get 500 followers with just $19. And you can get 1,000 followers with just $39. The best seller here is this $19 package. This is the most selected package. Now, what are we going to do? Before we proceed, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back. Now that we know the prices, I want you to go back to the upleap.com homepage and scroll to the very bottom of this page, and right here, just below Learn, click on Affiliates. That is right, we're going to become an affiliate partner so we can help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. We can be an affiliate for absolutely free. Getting started is simple, participation is free, and this has no hidden cost. Expect affiliate commissions for all orders of clients you bring to the Upleap community. Generate your custom URL. Once you've joined Upleap's affiliate program, you can generate your own affiliate URL to share with your community. Click funnel or anything else that'll generate your orders and revenue. Third, you can show your URL everywhere. Sharing your URL is crucial to earning yourself recurring commission. And here's a little motivation for you. Their top affiliates get paid out over $10,000 monthly. And right here below, you'll see that you'll be able to track every new client you bring to Upleap through your own dedicated affiliate panel. Each client you bring to Upleap delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Upleap. Since this website is already popular and this is big and one of the best websites out there, don't worry, you will get paid on time every time. Also, if you have questions, they have a dedicated support system for you. Upleap also takes care of their affiliates. Get direct access to their support and they will help you every step of the way. Okay, now let's go back to the pricing. As you can see right here, the bestseller is the 500 followers for only $19. But I recommend you to use this 1,000 followers package where they can save more. It is only available for $39. And again, you earn 30% commission, so $39 multiplied by 30%, that's $11.7. Now imagine with just one subscriber. They want to earn, let's say, 10,000 followers. So $11.7, let's multiply that by 10 because they want 10,000 followers, right? And that is already $117 for you with just one subscriber. And as long as they buy from Upleap.com, you will earn money. Now let's proceed to the next step. We have to become an affiliate. So click on this red Become an Affiliate button now right here. Then we'll land on this page right here where we can sign up as an affiliate partner. Help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get a 30% recurring monthly commission at the same time. What you'll need to do is really easy. Put in your first name, your last name, your email address right here and make sure that it's a valid email address. Create a password. Tick this I'm not a robot box and also this I agree to the terms of service of Upleap if you agree to the terms of service. Then click on sign up now to finally register. And then once you have your affiliate link, we can now proceed to the next step. But before we go there, I want you to go down to the comment section right now and tell me what social media platform do you often use? Do you like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook? What is your favorite social media application or platform? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. Now let's go back to the video. Now, once you have your affiliate link, I want you to go over to docs.google.com and create a template like this. You know what? You can even copy my template right here. You can just pause this. I'll just go over this slowly. You can pause this video and copy everything. Okay, so right here, I wrote how to grow your Instagram account fast. This is the first step, post creative content. And then here's number 2, use the right hashtags. Number 3, post at strategic times. Number 4, optimize your Instagram bio. Number 5, collaborate with influencers. And then here at the last part, I wrote this. If you want to grow your Instagram followers fast, click here for the best online recommended tool. Insert Upleap affiliate link. So what you'll need to do is insert your Upleap affiliate link right here. So that whenever they read this, they're going to click on that and then there's a great chance that they will buy packages from Upleap.com. And again, whenever they buy packages, you will earn 30% commission. Now, once you already have this text or once you already have this template, this document right here, I want you to go over to the next page. I want you to go to the next platform where we can drive traffic to our link. Now that is Quora.com. Again, this is Quora.com. I think a lot of you guys are already familiar with this because this has been in the social media world or in the internet for quite a while now, for a very long time now. And this is a forum where you can ask questions or you can answer questions. So what you'll need to do is go over to this page right here and create an account if you don't have one yet. And then once you log in, you come over here to this search bar and search for how to grow your Instagram followers. Now, click on enter, and after that, results will come up like so. As you can see, there are a lot of results right here. You can pick whatever you like, but I recommend you guys to click on all of these and then write your comment here below. Copy the template that I've shown you, the one that you created, and then just paste it here. Make sure your link is there, so that whenever they see that, whenever they read your script, they will then see your link below. Whenever someone buys, whenever someone subscribes to Upleap, you earn 30% commission. So what I want you to do is just comment on all of these posts right here that are about Instagram following, that are about Instagram growth. You can even go to other social media platforms and share your link. It all depends on you. What we aim here is for people to buy on Upleap in order for us to earn money. And that's it. If you like this video and if you learned something, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. As always, if you have questions, go to the comment section below and type it. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!